Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video is we're gonna learn about iOS 17.3 settings you need to change immediately. iOS 17.3 is officially here for everyone, so it's time to update your iPhones and iPads and enjoy the new goodies. Now, in this video, I want to share some cool settings you should check out right after updating. These tweaks will not only give you a better experience, but also lets you make the most of the new features on iOS 17.3. So let's dive right in. So first thing that we're going to talk about is the new wallpapers and watch face. So let's talk about some fresh visuals. After updating, just head onto the settings of your iPhone and then check out the Unity wallpaper collection. So this one, it is a cool addition that can give your iPhone a sleek look, especially when you add a little blur to the background. So don't forget to explore the Unity watch face in the Apple Watch app as well to customize it and to match your style. Now, another feature that has been really helpful onto the new update is to keep apps and carrier settings updated. So, right after updating, don't forget to also refresh your apps onto your device. So, to do this, just head onto the App Store on your iPhone. Then you need to tap on your avatar in the top right. Swipe down to refresh. So this is the new thing that you could do to check for new app updates. So just need to swipe down to refresh it. And for career settings, just go to settings, then click onto general and select about. If a carrier update is available, you'll see a prompt and you need to update to keep things smooth. This is actually crucial for better performance and compatibility with the latest iOS. Now, let's talk about something super important, your phone security. So there is actually a new feature on iOS 17.3. Stolen device protection is like a superhero shield for your phone. This feature prevents someone from changing your Apple ID password using your passcode. So for you to be able to go ahead and use this feature, you'll just need to head onto the settings of your device. And once you're already in, just go ahead and head to Face ID and passcode settings. So this will ask for your Face ID. And once you've done it, you'll just need to enable stolen device protection. And even if someone knows your passcode, they can't mess with your Apple ID without your own Face ID. Now, another added layer onto that specific feature. So, even if someone tries to turn off the superhero shield or the stolen device protection feature, there's a backup plan. It is called security delay. So, it's like having a bodyguard for your settings, adding an hour long window. So, this extra time ensures that even if someone tries to make changes, you have the time to make sure everything is okay for this. So it acts as a fallback mechanism to ensure that even with the correct password, making significant changes requires additional verification. So to make this feature even more intelligent, it leverages location services. So if you're at a recognized location like your home, the security delay won't activate. So this ensures that you can make legitimate changes without necessary delays when you're in a trusted environment. Security delay is your personal timekeeper, so it's diligently watching over your iPhone settings and adding an hour of protective grace. Now that's what we call smart security. Now let's talk about Apple Music collaborative playlist. If you're one of the users of Apple Music, then this one is for you. So let's switch gears to something fun. So iOS 17.3 brings a cool feature in Apple Music called the collaborative playlist. So this is like creating a musical masterpiece with your friends. So for you to be able to go ahead and use this feature, just make sure that you're subscribed to one of Apple Music's plan. So right after, you'll just have to go to your playlist, tap to start a collaboration, and share the vibes. So, additionally, you could also react with emojis and make your music experience a blast. And there you have it, some nifty settings and features to explore after updating to iOS 17.3. I hope these explanations make your iOS journey even better. And if you try them out, just let us know in the comments how you're liking the new tweaks. From fresh visuals with the Unity wallpaper collection to robust security features like stolen device protection and intelligent security delay, iOS 17.3 is all about enhancing your user experience. I hope this guide has been helpful in making your iOS journey even more enjoyable and secure. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.